Wit videos. Wit videos.
Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about something that we all use every day but rarely think about, and that is hangers. Yes, hangers, the unsung heroes of our closet. In this video, we are going to discuss the importance of hangers for your clothes and why you should pay more attention to them. Let's start with the basics. How do you organize your clothes in your closet? Do you hang them on hangers or do you just toss them on a shelf or in a drawer? If you're guilty of the latter, then you're missing out on the benefits of hangers. Hangers come in all shapes and sizes, from plastic to wood to velvet. There are hangers for suits, dresses, pants, and even scarves. Each type of hanger serves a different purpose, and using the right hanger can help keep your clothes in good condition. For example, hanging your shirts on hangers can help prevent wrinkles and keep them looking neat and tidy. Folding them and placing them on a shelf can cause them to wrinkle and lose their shape. On the other hand, hanging heavy sweaters on regular hangers can cause them to stretch out and lose their shape. Using a padded or contoured hanger can help prevent this and keep your sweaters looking their best. Hangers can also be used to organize accessories like scarves and belts. Instead of tossing them in a drawer where they can become tangled and damaged, hanging them on a hanger can keep them organized and easy to access. And let's not forget about the space-saving benefits of hangers. Hanging your clothes on hangers allows you to maximize your closet space and keep everything within easy reach. Finally, using hangers can help you choose your outfits more easily. When your clothes are hanging neatly on hangers, you can easily see what you have and choose your outfits without having to dig through a pile of clothes. So, as you can see, hangers are an important tool for organizing and preserving your clothes. Instead of using cheap, flimsy hangers, invest in quality hangers that are designed for your specific clothing items. Your clothes will thank you. That's it for today's video. We hope you found this information helpful. If you have any tips for using hangers in your closet, please share them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and information. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching Wit Mix videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much, and God bless you more.
Wit videos. Wit videos.